In this session, we explore the immediacy of salvation. Our aim is to unlock a practical architecture of light, time, and the holy instant. We will treat these not as abstract doctrines, but as a framework for how perception shifts. Decisions are made, and transformation becomes available in every present moment. This diagram maps the ego's horizontal journey through time. The past anchors us in guilt, insisting on repayment. The future is projected as fear and inevitable loss. The present is squeezed into a brief, anxious interval between them. In this model, delay appears necessary and human life becomes repetitive and compulsive. Here we contrast two uses of time. The ego uses time to preserve separation, focusing on past guilt and future fear, teaching that our function ends in destruction. The Holy Spirit uses time differently, centering us in the continuous present, using each moment as a teaching aid that restores knowledge and gently collapses delay. The axis of the miracle represents a vertical shift in perception. Instead of moving slowly from point A to point B along linear, ego-driven time, a miracle introduces a new dimension. It collapses intervals of suffering, advancing both giver and receiver far ahead. Time is not abolished, but its delays are shown to be optional. The holy encounter unfolds in 4 steps. First, every meeting is recognized as a decision point between ego and spirit. Second, we offer release by refusing to condemn. Third, in giving release, we receive salvation, seeing our own innocence. Finally, knowledge is reinstated as the mind remembers its shared source. The holy instant is pictured as light within a frame. The ego emphasizes the heavy frame of past and future, obscuring the radiance. When attention shifts to the picture itself, the pure present, the frame loses meaning. In accepting this gift, time's boundaries fade and salvation is experienced as complete in this very instant. This bridge image challenges the ego's myth that atonement lies far ahead, demanding lifetimes of effort and sacrifice. The Course proposes a different reality. The bridge of return is already built. Our task is not to engineer the path, but to consent to cross a structure that is complete, stable, and waiting for our acceptance. The illusion of the gap suggests a vast fortress separating us from God. In truth, the barrier is described as a small bank of sand, a fragile wall of dust. Through gentleness and even lightheartedness, this wall can be dissolved. The message is that peace is not blocked by real obstacles, only by beliefs that can be released. We now synthesize 3 key insights. First, time is a temporary scaffold, existing only to be collapsed through miracles. Second, the holy instant reveals salvation as a present reality, free of guilt and fear. Third, the so-called last step was true from the beginning. Nothing real has ever been absent, only our acceptance was delayed.